DPC is a core capability in our product creation space. Since starting off in 2017, we've now built it as an enterprise-wide strategy aligned to our business goals. And our ambition is to go after game-changing level of impact in lead time, agility, and sustainability. And what we realize is we need a collection of technology platforms to be able to make different types of decisions at different points in time. We've leveraged Browzwear's open cloud platforms to be able to integrate several solutions and build into one workflow, taking the best of what the technology has to offer in the market today.
Having accurately digitized material is extremely important in creating an authentic digital twin. Capturing the physical properties of the material correctly helps us ensure that the stretchability, bendability, drapability properties of the material are incorporated into the 3D garment correctly. MAS has made sure that all our apparel units as well as supply chain units have the correct materials in the best industry standard quality. Browzwear's open API helped us seamlessly integrate between substance and other knitting solutions where we can seamlessly take the digitized material into a 3D garment and visualize how the 3D material is going to look like in a final garment. This workflow helps drastically cut down on our lead times and also on our machine utilization, which is making the process much more faster for our supply chain divisions.
Today, DPC is a mature capability across our apparel teams, and we are now bringing our supply chain teams on board to build this capability.
With 3D coming into play, we witness how our workflow becomes smoother and more efficient. The digital twin increases accuracy of our predictability and chances of developing a sustainable product. Browzwear is collaboratively working with our technologists and has a genuine interest in finding solutions to improve the quality of the user experience.
As I look back at our journey of success, I see it's a factor of three things: ambition, talent, and execution. Setting ourselves bold targets, challenging us to push the boundaries of what's possible today. Having the right people with skills from both digital as well as physical product and achieve a truly authentic digital twin.
Using Browzwear suites of platforms enables collaboration at a much more deeper level, which helps reduce lead times to go from an idea to concept and to work with brands in real time across the world. Also, it gives my team time to enhance their creativity, and most importantly, it allows us to take more accurate product decisions and end up in success.
Flex is a unique mind-to-market business model that allows brands to decide what they want to buy, when they want to buy it, and in what quantity. The most significant change we've done to our process is making our product creation digital first. Using tools like Style Zone, it has allowed us to co-create with brands, which has helped us improve our hit rates. We've managed to halve our lead times in product creation, improve our costs, and most importantly, we've managed to redeploy the creation resources more efficiently. Using tools like Browzwear, we can create a collection of maybe 100 styles in a matter of weeks. But the interesting thing is, all of this work can be done using just one designer.
The value of DPC goes beyond just digitizing the workflow. It's also about reinventing the way we work, reimagine the way we create, make, and sell.
Our success comes from continuously pushing our boundaries for today and looking for improvement for future tomorrow.